Hello and welcome to the AFL Auto Blends 3D car creation channel. This is a quick video to talk about a quick blender tip really for when you're modelling cars or any other thing that uses blueprints for that matter. Basically is how to tidy up your mesh without pushing and pulling each one. As you can see here, I've got a car body and I've pushed and pulled all these vertices out of place on purpose, just to show you how to get over this quickly and simply. And basically all you've got to do is if you press Alt left mouse button and highlight the whole range, or you can just do a selection. In this instance it doesn't really matter, just choose the whole range. And then you press Control and I to inverse the selection. I think you can find it if you haven't got the key maps. You can find it up here on Mesh to invert the selection somewhere there. But anyway, if you've got the key presses, so press Control and I to invert the selection. Press H to hide it, or I know where that is, down here, hide selection down there. Okay, so press H to hide it. Set up your images, go to the side view, and then simply push and pull your vertices into place without all the other vertices in the way, getting in the way. Okay, just move it up, move that one down, and move that one up. Just get them where you want them to be, move that one up, and that one's okay there. Okay, so all you do then is press Alt and H or go into the mesh selection and go unhide. Okay, and there you are. So if you go into object mode, your mesh is back into place. So put your subdivision on. There you go. Okay, so that's just a quick tip on using the hide, the inverse selection and the unhide command to make your modelling easier. Okay, thank you.